Hey beauty, I just got back from Academy. They were having an extra 75% off clearance sale. My inner shopaholic just could not help herself. So I shopped a little bit, but I did get a bunch of name brand items for under $100. So it was worth it because I saved so much money. I would do the haul here, but I feel like everything is probably going to be out of stock by now. I did also share this on Instagram stories. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me over there. I did post it in real time, and I feel like by the time I get this vlog up, it'll be like a whole week later. So I'm not gonna share, but I will post it on a highlight on my actual profile page. And the only reason that I'm doing that is because I do have an Amazon unboxing that I want to share. I am gonna be filming an Amazon spring haul. I should have the rest of my order delivered today. I'm so excited to open these, and I think it'll be fun to do together. I can see my baby hairs sticking out on the viewfinder and it's bugging me. So I'm gonna add some of this hair wax. I just get this on Amazon. They usually have a bunch of random brands on deal. It's actually really easy to work with, and it doesn't make my hair look like too greasy or anything. I just smooth it out with one of these types of combs. I desperately need to go through my closet and declutter because it is like bursting at the seams and it is giving me so much anxiety. So I'm gonna do that today. I did actually declutter in my office and it feels so good in here right now. Let me show you. Here's the new workspace, which this used to be over here, and we had this over here, but when Josh was in here moving furniture after I painted this wall, I had him move this too because I'm working on a potential collaboration for a vanity upgrade, but that setup would be very similar to this, so I wanted to see how it would look, especially with this mirror on the side, because I'm kind of thinking of upgrading to a desktop. Right now I'm editing from my bed, which is not productive at all because I usually am binge watching a TV show at the same time and just like chilling in bed in my PJs. I think I could be more productive if I had a desktop here, and I'm really kind of wanting to start doing 2 videos a week. Let's go look at the closet because it's a mess. I switched up the hair because the high pony started to give me a headache. So I just did this clip, which the hair wax made it so cute.
Mommy put a pink bow.
Pink bow, you're so cute. Let's show them. Cutie!
Cutie.
Ellie got this swimsuit at Academy today. It's so cute. Actually moving my camera back so you can kind of see the mess that we're working with. I even have a bunch of clothes down here in the corner. All my shoes. Walking in here has been giving me so much anxiety, and we're driving up to see my best friend this weekend. So I'm going to take her all my bags of clothes to let her go through. But just getting there, it's gonna be worth it. I already know. It's the next day and progress has been made. I got out 3.5 trash bags of clothes, which makes me so happy. I was gonna film today, but I do still have my office closet that I kind of want to clean out and switch over to the springtime, especially with my shoes. They're kind of all over the place. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and continue the decluttering process. Let me show you the drawers because I did make a lot of progress in them. Bras, Spanx, granny panties, black, and then all miscellaneous panties, lingerie. And then in here is all my PJs and like little night dresses over here. These are workout sets with the tops and the bottoms rolled up together. And down here is all of my black leggings, faux leather leggings, and then biker shorts. I do have this like open shelving over here. These are the workout shorts I'm thinking about hanging up because they don't fold down very well. I might end up moving the sweatpants up here if there's enough room. But these are all like denim shorts and summer shorts. So here is my office closet. I mostly just have jackets and coats up here. Some random jeans in the back that I probably should go through, and I did kind of already organize the shoes a little bit, except I did leave a whole pile of summer sandals over here in the corner. So I'm gonna get started on this. It's probably not gonna take me that long. I did order some of these poppy orange sodas, which I'm trying it for the first time. That's not bad. I expected it to taste more like Fanta, but I could get used to it. But I do really like their cola flavor and their root beer. All right, let's get started. I totally fell asleep with the kids last night, but I did want to show you the final closet. It's looking so good. I have all my shoes, and I even added another shoe rack from a different closet, and then all of my jackets right here. Super easy access. And then up here is like skirts and faux leather pants that I don't necessarily reach for on a day-to-day basis. This is my handbag organizer. I like that it also holds bags on the side. This one was too big to put anywhere, and it doesn't sit up straight, so I did have to hang it, but I love this bag so much. I have all my belts right here, and then up at the top, way up here, is where I put all my tall winter boots and cowgirl boots. Okay, I'm ready for the unboxing. I do want to start with these shoes first because I'm not gonna lie, I did open up these shoes, try them on, and walk around the house with them. I am obsessed. Look at how cute these are. And they were very comfortable. They have a nice platform, not too high, and a padded sole. The only thing about these is that the smallest size is a 6. I probably could have taken a 5.5, but the 6 do fit good with a little bit of room in there. They're still very comfortable. I did wear them around the house for a few hours, and honestly, I hopped back on Amazon to see if I should get another color, which they do have a really cute white pair. But when I was cleaning my closet out, I realized I have a white pair from Walmart last year, and I love those too. So I'm gonna stick with just the nude. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this other pair of shoes. I did order these twice, so I want to look at this color because the first color I got was not cute. It was supposed to be brown, and it was like a really horrible like burnt orange color, not in a good way. So I went back for the beige, and oh my gosh, that was the right decision. They also had a black that I really wanted, but I think for the spring I'll end up wearing these beige ones. If they're comfortable enough though, I might go back for the black, not even gonna lie, because I do wear a lot of black, I feel like. But so cute. And when I tried the other ones on, the sole was very soft, and it's like a faux suede on the inside too. I've seen Steve Madden make these, but I think that these are very similar to Free People as well. This is basically already showing what it is, and I got this one on deal with a coupon code, which I did share on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I share coupon codes. This one did also come in a neon pink, I want to say, but I went with the neon green, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's like a little sweater vest, and it has the cute little texture details. If the coupon codes are working still though, I will include them next to the link in the description box. I'm also gonna go ahead and grab this one. Oh, this is a romper. Also got this on deal too, now that I'm thinking about it. I feel like I might have gotten a lot of this stuff on deal. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. By the way, I'm wearing my new, oh my gosh, I totally tripped on this. But look at how much hangers I have now. I'm telling you, that closet clean out was so worth it. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's ruffled and it has a button right here. It also has a tie, so you could do it up in the back or in the front if you wanted. This one actually had a lot of reviews online and it looked really cute both ways. Next package. Ooh, this is another little sweater top. How adorable. It's got the scalloped on the edging and on the sleeves. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for spring. It's got a lot of detail. This looks so high-end. Wow, some great first impressions so far. Ooh, something purple. Look at that. Little one shoulder midi dress. Super cute. I might actually have enough for 2 videos here. A dresses and a spring tops. Oh, this is a really cute little cropped basic. Next bag. This one's heavy. It's got a lot in here. Bright blue. I don't even know what this is. Yes, I do. It's a dress that I've been seeing on Amazon and I haven't tried yet. It looks a little crazy now. Let me get it on the hanger. How cute is that with the tie? This color is so pretty. I'm obsessed. This looks like another little basic. I'm always on the hunt for like a white basic. One of those little split hem t-shirts. It's got the open seams right here and right here. I want to say it's very similar to a popular Free People. That's what I saw in the reviews at least. I think this is a set, but it's got a really nice like sort of linen-y feel. Oh yeah, little crop tank. The length on the pants seems pretty good, so I'm excited for that. They're little pleated pants with a stretchy on the back. The fabric is really nice and heavy. I'm actually really into this color too, and I think, like, how cute would that be together? Love. Last item, I think. It's cute. It's really cute. Don't ask where I'm gonna wear this or when I'm gonna wear this, but I had to have it. It was giving me the J-Lo dress vibes with the print, but it is like a mesh and it has ruching right here on the sides. It also has a lining that's sewn on, which I totally appreciate. Oh my gosh, I guess I could just wear this with some little strappy flat sandals, which I have some that I'm obsessed with from Amazon. I ended up getting rid of like 5 trash bags full of clothes, and I was having Josh like tell me yes or no on a few items, and most of them were dresses like this, and he's like, keep them, wear them, who cares, wear them with flats, like dress up sometimes. So I think I'm gonna try and take his advice. I have been kind of trying to set that in motion this week by getting ready every day. Like, I worked out this morning and I was like, do I change? But once I showered and did my makeup and put a cute outfit on, I feel so good and ready to conquer the day. So I'm gonna take his advice and try wearing my clothes instead of just being in oversized t-shirts all the time. Hit that subscribe button down below. I don't want you to miss this Amazon haul because I got a lot of really cute stuff and I cannot wait to try it on. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Remember to go follow me on other socials because I do share more stuff over there, which I did do some lash extensions today, and I shared that over on my Instagram story. Yeah, I gotta go grab her a yogurt. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.